Hi there, students. Assiduous. Assiduous is an adjective. Assiduously, the adverb. And assiduousness, the noun. Okay, if you describe somebody as assiduous, they are hard-working and they pay a lot of care and attention to detail. So assiduous, somebody who works hard, who concentrates on the details, who always comes to work and is always working on the matter at hand. So most of my students are extremely assiduous. They study English assiduously. His assiduous research gave fruit after several years. So this is talking about paying close attention to detail, about working hard, about being diligent. Yeah. So yes, his assiduous planning meant the project went perfectly. He's an assiduous collector of British postage stamps. He looked after his garden assiduously. So careful, unremitting attention, showing great care and attention and effort. Yeah, persistent application. So assiduous is a very positive thing. Continuous work, tireless and diligent work. He is always in assiduous pursuit of perfection, unremitting, persevering, constant, never gives up. Showing persistent attention to and concentrating on the detail. His assiduousness when writing essays is quite astonishing. Yeah, he's a very assiduous worker. He doesn't give up and he works very hard. Okay, so diligent, constant, steady, attentive, industrious, indefatigable, studious for a student, yeah, unflagging. Okay, so this is the idea. He watches my videos assiduously and takes notes at every point in the in my discourse. Okay, so it's to be meticulous and diligent, yeah, hardworking and regular, very industrious. So it's a very good thing to be an assiduous worker, to study assiduously. You concentrate on the task at hand, you concentrate to make sure everything is exactly right, and you never give up. You continue at it, you continue going for it. So your next question is, how formal is assiduous? So this is quite a formal literary word. I'm going to give it a 7. Assiduous in an informal conversation? I think not. Careful, hard-working, diligent, meticulous maybe. And then as to origin, this is another one that comes from Latin. It comes from assidere, the verb to sit down to do something, add to, and sedere, to sit down. So I think you sit down to do it. You decide you're going to do it, and that's the idea. So I hope you have assiduously watched this video, and maybe you could even watch it again if you really want to be extremely assiduous. Okay, so assiduously. Working hard, assiduous, concentrating on the matter in hand. I wish our politicians were more assiduous in the care of our nation. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Assiduous.